Okay, so what I want you to do here is I want you to underline or highlight. I guess it's up to you if you know how to do either. I'm going to show you a couple ways. What I want you to do is I want you to underline details in this story that you would use, that you choose, that you would want to tell somebody if they said, hey, what is the coolest club around? What's that about? If somebody asked you that, we're pretending. If somebody asked you, what is the coolest club around? What details from this story would you want to share with someone that would help them to understand exactly what it is and what they do? So, in order to interact with this, you got to know how to use some of the tools. So, I'm going to show you a couple of tools, a couple of things you can do. One of them is very simple. You select a line and away you go. You underline. Now I just underlined something and you notice, it's black just like the color of the text. Maybe you want to make it a different color. So go to line color right here, make it a different color. If you want to make it thicker so it's a little bit easier to see, don't make it more than 4 because that just gets, anything beyond that gets a little bit too bold. So that is one thing you can do. Just click here on line and then away you go. Another thing you can do if you want to do it this way, I would suggest the line. It's simplest. But another thing you could do is you could go to the shape. You could click the box and you could say, well, I think this is something I would choose, a detail I would choose. Now if you notice, you can't see the text anymore. You can't see it. So if I go to fill color, I can go to custom down here. Now this is fun. First of all, I don't want the blue color anyway. I'm going to change it to, let's just say purple. I still can't see through it, right? So if I go up here to fill color and I go down here to custom, watch this. This transparency bar, I can slide it this way. I'll go a little bit more, hit OK, and then look, you can see through it. So that I just think it's fun to do. And then if I click off of it, there it is. So those are your two options for interacting with this text. You can use the line, or you can use the shape button. Sorry, I just lost it. The shape button, and then choose the box. Okay? And then of course, since this is a video, you can go back and forth and re-watch it if you forget how. Okay, have fun.